Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your favorite place on the internet, where we save you time and money by comparing the coolest gadgets out there. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two top contenders: the Comgrow Ender 3v2 Neo, which we'll call Ender Neo, and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, or Flashy. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the price. Ender Neo comes in at a wallet-friendly $199. That's like skipping a couple of fancy dinners or not buying avocado toast for a month. Meanwhile, Flashy is priced at $399. Yikes, that's more than double. If you're on a budget, the Ender Neo is already winning this round. Next, let's talk assembly. Ender Neo boasts an easy 3-step assembly process. Reviewers love how straightforward it is, comparing it to IKEA furniture, but without the missing screws and the existential crisis. Flashy, on the other hand, promises to go from unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes. Users appreciate this quick setup, making it a great choice for those who want to start printing immediately. Both are pretty quick, so you can't go wrong here. Now, let's talk bed leveling. Ender Neo comes with the CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling, which sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's got 16-point automatic leveling, meaning you can finally say goodbye to the frustration of manual leveling. Flashy also has full auto one-click leveling, promising a perfect first layer every time. Reviewers appreciate both systems, but Ender Neo's 16 points have been highlighted as particularly impressive. Now, let's talk speed and quality. Flashy claims to accelerate up to 20,000 millimeters per square second and hit a max speed of 600 millimeters per second. Reviewers have noted its impressive speed and smooth prints, thanks to features like vibration compensation and precise extrusion. Meanwhile, Ender Neo is described as a steady, reliable performer with silent operation and stable print quality. If you're impatient, Flashy's speed might win you over, but both offer quality prints. On to the build plate and extruder. Ender Neo has a PC Spring steel magnetic build plate. Reviewers love how easy it is to use. Just stick it, print it, bend it, and boom, your model pops off. It also features a full metal extruder. Flashy has a flexible, removable PEI steel plate and supports a variety of filaments, making it versatile. Both are pretty awesome, but Ender Neo's magnetic plate is a real crowd pleaser. Finally, the extras. Flashy comes with a filament runout sensor and power loss recovery, which reviewers find incredibly useful for uninterrupted printing. Ender Neo, on the other hand, has a silent motherboard, offering the peace and quiet that many users appreciate. Both have their perks, but who doesn't love a bit of peace and quiet? Overall, reviewers find both the Ender Neo and Flashy to be excellent 3D printers, each with its own set of strengths. Ender Neo is praised for its affordability, ease of assembly, and quiet operation, making it a great choice for budget-conscious users. Flashy, on the other hand, is celebrated for its speed, advanced features, and ease of use, appealing to both beginners and experienced users alike. So which one should you buy? If you're on a budget and want a reliable, quiet, and easy-to-assemble printer, Ender Neo is your best friend. But if you've got some extra cash to burn and need speed and extra features, Flashy might be the one for you. Either way, you can't go wrong. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Happy printing, everyone! Stay smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.